discuss about how to negotiate credit card debit settlement yourself. So before starting this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. So first one is what is debit settlement? Actually, the debit settlement involves negotiating with your credit cards company to reduce the total amount you owe. Creditors may agree to lower payment if you pay a lump sum of follow structure plan. Assess your financial situation. Start by reviewing your total credit card debits income and expenses. Determine how much you can realistically pay upfront or monthly and ensure you have evidence of financial hardship if required. Research your options. Before contacting your creditors, understand your rights and options. Check if the creditor offers hardship program. Research typical settlement amount, often 40 to 60% of the total award, or learn about your right under the Fair Debit Collection Practices Act. Next one is prepare for negotiation. Gather all relevant documents, statement, pay stubs, and bank records. Decide on a target settlement amount and stick to it. Be ready to explain your financial hardship clearly and professionally. Next one is contact your credit card company. Call the creditor customer service or collection department. Polity, politely explain your situation and ask to speak with someone who can discuss debit settlement. Be calm, firm, and persistent. The next one is propose propose a settlement offers. Start with the low offers. 30, for example, 30 to 40% of the debits. Negotiate gradually if the creditor counters. Ensure you only agree to an amount you can often to pay. So the next one is get the agreement in writing. Once an agreement is reached, request and written confirmation that clearly outlines the agreed settlement amount, the payment terms, lump sum of or installment. Ensure that the remaining balance will be forgiven and reported as settled or to credits. Next one is make the payment as agreed. Stick to the agreed payment terms. Avoid missing payments as could avoid to settlement agreement. Use trackable payment methods like checks or online transfer for records. So the last one is monitor your credit reports. After the settlement, check your credit reports to ensure the debit is marked as settled or paid. Dispute any inaccuracies with the credit bureaus to maintain a clear records. Thanks for watching.